Hey guys, how you going? I am going to do my first string pull today. So I thought I might do something stupid with the background, and I've mixed a whole bunch of black with purple, and that's going to be the back, and some white with some shimmery stuff in it. So the white I've used is the Chromacryl white. The shimmery stuff I put in there is the DecoArt in the white pearl. I don't know if it's actually going to show up though, because I can't see it. I can't see the shimmer in it now, but we'll see when it's dry, right? And then in this big old mess of stuff, there is the global black. There is the purple in the global, and there's also purple pearl of the DecoArt. So that one you can actually see the shimmer in it, so at least something's going to have metallic stuff in it. I've got my couple of bits of yarn pre-cut and some on hand if I need to cut more. Anyways, let's get to it. My paints are 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol, and because I was using up some leftover of the purple, there might be some silicone in it. I don't know, we'll find out. Might or might not be able to see it. Don't know. But anyways, let's see how this goes. Do I have enough? That is the question. Or do I have to scrape all this stuff off and then start again? Okay, so now that that's covered, I'm gonna try with the string. Bigger loops. Try that again with bigger loops. Guys, big loops are the way to go. Check that out. That's way better. Cute. Oh, look at. Okay, big loops. You need bigger loops than you think. Got it? Good. Go on.